We're good? Alright. Are you kidding me? Only 2 people are watching my videos right now. It's only 11 p.m. on a Saturday night, guys. I promise my content is amazing. Let's go. Watch it. It's exciting. Oh my god, who is this Carrie Walker girl? She is amazing. I love her channel. No wonder I'm not getting any views. Look at her bomb channel. I'm so jealous. I bet you she's already monetized. She's probably monetized already. Who's this Jacob Billet guy that thinks that he's all that, wearing like kids clothing and everything? And how is he doing so much better than I am? Like, I'm done. I'm done. I quit. Hey everyone, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, what are you doing? Hit that subscribe button down below and let's go ahead and get started. So, did you guys like that whole intro in the beginning? Don't you worry, because your girl is not planning to pursue any acting career in the near future or at all, because she sucks. I know, you don't gotta tell me, because trust me, I get it. So we're back with another YouTube info type video. I know that I've done this about 2 videos already on my channel and you guys seem to really like it and really enjoy it, so I wanted to do another one, like an updated video. More tips that I've learned so far. I've been on YouTube for a good like 8 months now. Your girls learned some stuff. So yeah, you guys started your YouTube channel, and what now? There was an expectation when you first started your YouTube channel. You feel like you should have like shot up by now. Your views should be amazing. You should have like a bunch of subscribers by now, but you're not getting that. You're just discouraged. Like you're not understanding the whole thing. Like for me, I am the same exact way. Trust me, because I've been feeling it. I'm trying to do everything that people are telling me, like taking their suggestions and their tips. You know, I'm doing my SEO, probably not like the greatest, but pretty decent. Engaging thumbnails, my content's interesting to me. I don't know if you guys find it interesting. I mean, I hear it's interesting, so hopefully it is. Putting in tags into my channel as well as my videos, but I'm not getting that engagement, and I just don't understand. I don't understand, bitch. Don't understand. So I totally understand where you guys are coming from, where you're questioning yourself, like, what more can I do? What more is there? But there's always stuff that you can improve on. I'm not perfect. I'm not saying in any way that I am perfect at all, that I'm like the greatest YouTuber. How come I'm not getting all these people coming to my channel and watching? Because they don't know you. Like Jenny, they don't know who the heck you are. There's millions of people on this platform, millions. Especially now, a lot of people are sheltered at home. That's all they can do is just stay at home. There's more channels being created every single day. So there's millions, billions probably of people on YouTube watching their favorite YouTubers or creating their own content, things like that. They probably just don't know who we are yet. So don't feel too discouraged. I am in the same position as you are. I get it. I totally get it. We'll get there one day, alright? But here are some tips that I have for you to feel less discouraged and just feel motivated to keep going. Still haven't had my life together? Gonna go get my notebook. Got my notebook. I like to get myself a journal, which I used a lot. Pretty much write down my ideas. I used to do it on my phone and put it in my notes to, like, if I have an idea, like if I'm in the shower or I'm sitting there late at night and I have like an idea for a video, I think that I can remember these things in my head. Your girl just has like worse memory, so it's best for me to write it into my notebook or put it into my phone. Use your phone and like note all these stuff down. Things like organizing yourself. Oh, you should film this day and edit this day. And just organize yourself out, make yourself a schedule so you don't forget, or you don't bombard yourself with like being up against a wall where you have a video that you need to push out this day but you haven't yet filmed or edited. So just keeping yourself on track by having a schedule made on your phone or a calendar, like a written calendar, whatever way that helps you remind yourself that you know you get on track with your Jimmy's calling. Hello? Not that I can remember. See what I mean? When I don't have the best memory, that is why I need it on my phone or my notebook. So my first tip is focusing on what you can do. Don't stress yourself out that you can't do certain things. Like myself, like I stress myself out if I can't do a DIY. But why am I stressing myself out? I can do some other things. We're sheltered in place. Joann's and Michael's were closed, so I couldn't get my crafting ideas or crafting supplies for my crafts. Oh my god, how many times did I say craft in that sentence? I was so stressed out. I'm just like, what can I do for a DIY channel if I can't even go get my supplies? And I was just like, why can't I find stuff that I could do at home? So I was going to the Dollar Tree and I found little things that I can make, or things around the house. Like my mask, I found fabric around the house to make it. I made a flower wall decor thing out of like a chopping mat from the Dollar Tree, things like that. Don't limit yourself kind of starting your YouTube channel just because you don't have the right equipment, you don't have the right lighting. Just take out your camera, use natural lighting if you have to. You know, you don't necessarily have to use like a studio lighting or a ring light. My first few videos, I used like my vanity mirror with a light on it as my source of light because I didn't have anything. Don't stop yourself, just do what you can. There's always an alternative way to do it. I know some channels don't want to do like beauty videos because they don't have the right camera or the right lighting. Whatever resource that you have, just use it. And don't stress yourself out if you can't put like 5 videos out in a week. Myself right now, I'm currently only doing 1 video a week, and that's all I can do. Try to put more videos out there, but if I can't, I would go live. So that's what I did this week. I was planning to make another video, but instead I went live because I didn't have the chance to film or edit anything, so I went live instead, and it was great. Like, going live is pretty scary at first. I get it, I totally get it, but you'll get used to it sooner or later. I still have some anxiety sometimes when I go on live because I just don't know what to talk about, but if it makes it easier for you, have a topic in mind to talk to the viewers when you do go live. It'll make it easier for you, like what's going on with the world or what you're doing at home. It's just focusing on what you love to do and what you love to watch. YouTube shouldn't be stressful. I like to watch DIY craft videos or comedy stuff, so I kind of incorporate that into my videos. I like the comedic side and DIY and lifestyle videos. That's the content I want to push out. Just do things that you feel are exciting to you, something that you like to watch and you love to do it, so it's not so stressful. Gaming channels are a huge thing, but I wouldn't pursue it because I'm not a gamer, right? I don't enjoy that many games, so I wouldn't make content on it. So whatever you like to do, make content on that. If you enjoy doing the stuff that you put onto your channel, people are going to see that. So if you feel like you're forced to do it, we can see it. Like, as a viewer, I'm pretty sure they can see that you're forcing yourself to enjoy something that you're not really enjoying yourself. When you're doing content that you like to watch and you love to do, it's not gonna burn you out. This journey should be enjoyable to you. You're gonna feel burnt out if you don't like what you're doing. That quote out there that says, if you love your job, it wouldn't feel like a job. Think of it that way with your YouTube channel and just continue in doing what you love. I'm thirsty. Water this time. Find people that are in the same niche or doing the same thing as you are. You want to find that community. It's great that you have a community of other YouTubers. When I first started YouTube, I had a community of mukbangers, right? A lot of them did mukbangs and they still do. That community is where I talk to about YouTube, how to get some tips and how to be better on my YouTube channel. They've taught me a lot. I still talk to them and engage with them and support them, but they told me, you know, themselves, so Jenny, you need to find people within your niche too to better understand what you should put on your channel. And I get it. So the reason why you want to find people that are in the same niches as you is, you know, you want to be able to talk to them about pretty much your niche in itself. Like, hey, what do you do? Like, what challenges do you have? Like my mukbang community, they like to do a lot of challenges together. Oh, 50 wings, if you can eat all that under 10 minutes, something like that. If you're a gaming channel, you find another gaming channel, maybe you guys can game together and do a video together like that. So like Carrie Walker, you guys saw her in the beginning of my video. Like, me and her are really close and we're really good friends. So her and I have very similar niches. We do lifestyles. She does lifestyle and fitness, and I do lifestyle and DIY because our audiences may be similar. And if our audience are similar, maybe some of mine can go to hers and hers can come to mine. Things like that. You can make collaborations, which is really fun. And she is doing amazing. Good job, Carrie. Keep it up. Pretty sure you're asking, like, where can I find these people? So there's a lot of Facebook groups out there too. I'm not saying go to the sub for sub groups because that's not okay. Don't go to those. Find people that have similar niches with you that are on Facebook groups where you guys can chit and chat and give ideas to one another, or Instagram, even maybe TikTok. TikTok, you can direct message someone, enjoy similar things that you do. So those are ways that you can find people. I mean, you can definitely comment on bigger YouTubers channels too. It doesn't hurt to try. Talk to your community, let them know like what you're going through right now, and they're probably going through the same thing. They can give you tips. Maybe they know someone that's in like the same niche as you that you guys can connect with. Like my buddy that I met on YouTube, his name is Anthony. He does finance and me and him don't really have similar niches at all, but he's been the greatest supporter. He's awesome. Thank you so much, Anthony. I'll go ahead and link him down below. Yeah, check him out if you guys are into finance. But yeah, like him, he doesn't have lifestyle or DIY, but he knows people that are in the same niches as me, and he connected us together. He won't stop sawing, so we're gonna take a break because he won't stop sawing. So this one actually is really close to me because it's about not trying to be so perfect. Like, forget about being perfect. Just start and just learn from there. For me, I think it's that Virgo in me. I'm constantly thinking, oh my god, like my video needs to be on point. It has to be at a 10. Like, it can't be any lower than that. Like, I need to make my content, you know, exciting for people to watch because they're not gonna watch it if you're not exciting, right? I recently watched these YouTubers called video influencers with Benji and Sean, and they were talking about not making videos at a 10 all the time. Each of your videos, you put so much effort into it that you just don't have time. Like, I edit my videos, it takes me 4 to 5 hours to just edit, and then another additional like 6 to 8 hours to like film that video to begin with. Make easier videos. That makes sense. Like, I don't necessarily have to put every single video out at a 10. I can make certain videos that are a little easier for me, that I don't have to edit so much, that I don't have to film for so long to make. I don't have to make another DIY video that stresses me out and having like to edit that too. So making sit down videos like this, for example, and editing that and then putting that out during the week. And also, I'm not saying that all my videos are like 10s at all. Back then, like, I'm pretty sure a lot of the videos that I'm like during that time, oh, those are pretty good, they're pretty decent. So I'm hoping with that mindset I can put out more videos during the week so there's more content out there. One video a week is only getting me 52 videos in a whole year. But if I put in like 2 videos here and there, I'll have more chances for my content to be out there. The more viewers are gonna have eyes on it, the more watch time that you're gonna get. A lot of people talk about this all the time, is staying consistent. Think of it as a TV show. You want to stay consistent every single week. I mean, whether it's 1 video a week or 2 videos a week, you want to stay consistent. The YouTube algorithm definitely wants to see consistency because they want to keep viewers onto their platform. Like on a Monday this week, and then you're gonna post like 3 weeks later on a Friday. It's not really consistent because viewers don't know when you're gonna be posting, and YouTube doesn't know when you'll be posting. Finding a schedule that works for you. Ever since I started, I haven't changed my schedule. I really try to stay on top of my videos on Sundays at 12 p.m. PST because that's the schedule a lot of my viewers know that I will be uploading a new video. So another tip that I have for you is to be a human. What does that mean, Jenny? Like, what do you mean be a human? I am a human. I meant your interactions and your communications to be like a human. So if you're going to someone's live stream or you're gonna watch someone's video, don't just be coming up in there and just be like, come to my channel.
Hey, if you subscribe to me, I'll subscribe to you.
You know, you're not gonna get too much out of it if people do sub for sub, because if you're subscribing to someone and they're subscribing you back, would they be really interested in watching your content? You definitely want to find genuine people. I'm not saying that, you know, you can't go to sub for sub streams. I just like to support the host, but there's always people there saying, I came to your house, I left you a present, you know, stop by my house and, you know, leave me a present too. And I get it. I get it. We're still new YouTubers. We're small and we want people to come to your channel. But in the long run, it's gonna hurt your channel because no one's gonna watch you. Just keep in mind, sub for sub isn't the way to go. You're just gonna have to find those genuine people. I've met a lot of my community from growth streams. I'm not saying those growth streams are all bad, and they're not. You can meet great people in there. Like, even the hosts are great. But using that as an example, when you go in the streets, you don't just go up to someone and be like, hey, here's a present for you. Where's my present? So last but not least is pretty much just enjoying your whole process of YouTube. Think about, why did you start YouTube to begin with? If you start your YouTube for the money, then it's gonna burn you out very quickly, because when you're first starting off, apparently you're not gonna get that much money. I mean, you're definitely gonna get money from maybe some super chats, do like affiliate programs. YouTube itself, you would have to earn a lot of views for you to even get paid, and it depends on your CPM. Sometimes you can get like $1 for 1,000 views or $10 for 1,000 views. It really depends on what the video is about. I don't know how YouTube ranks it. I'm not there yet. I'm not monetized, okay guys? I'm not monetized as of right now. We see a lot of YouTubers out there there that are very successful, that have millions of dollars. Like Mr. Beast, David Dobrik, big YouTubers like that, of course they're gonna make a lot of money. They have a lot of viewers. But when you're starting off and you do get monetized, it's not necessarily that you're gonna make millions of dollars or thousands of dollars every single week or every single month. Enjoy the process. It's less of a job if you enjoy doing it. I still have fun doing it. I love the editing of it. Filming is probably my least favorite out of the two, either editing or filming. Editing is definitely what I like to do. Overall, I really enjoy what I'm doing and I'm gonna go ahead and continue with it. There's so many creators out there. Just work on you, work on your content, pushing out content that you are, proud of. You want to put value into your videos so viewers are enjoying their time. They don't feel like they're wasting their time. I know that you guys are going to do great, and if you guys have any issues, if you guys want to talk and chat, make sure to DM me. I'm here to talk to you guys. You guys can always DM me on Instagram, Twitter, or even TikTok, because your girl has that now, I think that's all the tips that I have for you today. I hope that you guys really enjoyed it. If you guys like more videos like this, just let me know. If you haven't checked out my other two videos, I'll go ahead and have them linked down below or here. But I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much. Make sure to hit that thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Have a good one. Bye!